from Hybrid AGROBOTS, and we, like mentioned, we make a lot of machines to help in the poultry industry. Little bit about me first. This one. I'm based in New Zealand most of the time, but we have our offices here, and we look after. My brother looks after the whole thing, and we build a lot of stuff in IT and in automation, in manufacturing, in the agro-based industries. What we have is we have 3 companies, and we've all worked together in all 3 companies, and we have the same team in all the 3 companies, and we take the best parts of each company in AI and everything to build our machines in agro industry. So what we have is what we are kind of saying is automation is not an investment. The automation is an investment, not a cost. So what it does, it helps you reduce the cost, because what is happening these days is finding good labor is very difficult. So we are trying to figure out how do we reduce the cost of the labor, make sure you have a quality in the end, because when you have machines working for you, you have a reliable quality all the time, and you can deliver very good quality product and the services. So we are helping you in providing that. We have machines for all sort of, right from the start, which is intake, where we have the loading systems and on the conveyor belt. Then we have the hygiene, which is basically egg washing, egg drying, egg sanitation. Then we come to the grading of the eggs, and we have the packing and the repacking of the eggs. So we have, right from the start, right till the end, we have machines for all of them. We have about 25 to 30 different machines of varying sizes, depending on the needs of our customers, ranging from about 3,500 eggs per hour, going right up to about 45,000 eggs per hour. So we have that range. And for the manual, for the loading, we have these manual loading machines, which can pick up by manual, or we have automated. Hello. So we have this automated egg volume system. We can have two heads, and the capacity is about 40,000 eggs per hour. And this is what we do. So we have wet cleaning. We do that. Or we can have the dry cleaning, which is without water, but it's just for brushing over any feathers or anything. Or we have the sterilization using the UV lights and everything. So we have the whole thing for the cleaning of the eggs. This is our heavy-duty wet washing machine. This is a single lane. We also have a double lane also. This one is a single lane one. And everything which we build is in SS 304. So just to make sure this is like a food grade machines. And the blowers to basically dry also. So this part, the front part, is basically the washer, and then it basically dries off here with the blowers. And these are our dry cleaning machine and the UV machines there on that side. And we have the candling machines for us. And this is basically a manual egg candling machine. That's a 6-lane egg candling machine. We also have a 2-lane or 3-lane or a single lane egg candling machines also, depending on the needs and the speed which we need. And then we have the grading systems. We have a mechanical grading. So for the poultry farms which don't have too much of a, like you say, the volume, for them the mechanical grading works fine, because very simple machines and it does their job very well. Or where you have a lot of eggs, so that we can have the flagship or solution, which has about 40,000 eggs per hour, and it uses AI to do the grading. And we can go to the next one. This one. And then we have the farm packer. The farm packer is basically, or the agri packer. So basically, when you have to repack the eggs from maybe the plastic trays onto the normal cardboard tray from 30 to 30, that is possible, or from 30 to 6 or 30 eggs tray to maybe 10 or 18 or whatever the combination is. We have the machines for those, and it is all automated. That one is all automated. And this is the precision grading machine. So on the front, you see you load the eggs there. There's a candling part there on that side. Then this is a single lane one. Then it goes down the machine, and there we do the weight of the machine of the egg, and there on the end, then we do the grading into different varieties. I mean, you can have 2 grades or 3 grades or 4 grades. It's totally up to you or your needs. So this machine does that. This is a single lane machine, a single lane grading. And we have the egg printing machine. So this basically takes the crate and it basically prints on it on both ends. And you can print whatever your expiry date, your logo, or your brand name or whatever it is. So you can do on this one. This is like our big one, the egg washer and grader. So in the middle is a grader, and this is the middle is a washer, and this is the grader machine for us. So this is we are always supplied to a few customers across India, and we basically provide turnkey integration depending on the needs of the customers. We provide you solution based on that, not what we already have. So we do the custom based on your needs. So it's not a one solution which we just have to buy. It is a customized solution. And these are all the different machines which we have for intake, for hygiene, for candling, for grading, for packing, all low volume or mid volume or industrial volume. So we have machines all across everything. Yeah, the same thing again. 2 lanes, 3 lanes, 6 lane, double head capacity, 20K, 6K, 10K, depending on your needs. So you can take photos for this one. And the pricing, depending on 4 lakh, goes right up to about 24 lakh for each machine, or you can go to in crore depending on your needs. So, but you can start with a manual candling, or we have a manual grader. We start from 4.5 lakh to 7.5 lakh, depending on the speed and the capacity you need of those. And the main thing is all the whole work is done in India. It is based on the needs of the Indian customers. That's very, very important. We have been doing R&D for the past about 5 years. We have spent crores and crores on the R&D on this one, and just to make sure that all the machines which we develop are based on the Indian needs, because the needs of India are different. We have different issues like the light fluctuation, the whole lot of other things. So we do that. Our R&D center is in Mohali, and we build also there. So the another thing is the quality. We have, even though we build in India and our R&D here, the quality is European quality. You will get European quality at Indian pricing. And we, like I said, it's mentioned here, we use 100% food grade SS304, which is certified, recognized for Indian conditions. And main thing is, because we built everything in India, in Mohali, so there's no issue about the spares. Spares can be sent in 24 hours. They can be sent across. So you don't have to wait for weeks to get the spares from Europe or from China or anywhere. Everything is built here in India. And there are a few videos, but we have our YouTube channel. Videos are all there. We can send the links. your time. Thank you.